all dusty. I haven't played with this thing in a long time. Well, got my controller. Let's go. And I literally recorded 15 minutes. Did you see it? I have to kill you. I'm sorry. Bruh. Hey. You're the one who deleted my videos, huh? I'm joking. YouTube deleted my videos. Yeah. So, you guys may not know. Oh, you want to call the police on me, huh?
911, please take
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, there's this fool down here flashing his gun at everybody.
I'm not flashing my gun. I only did it to one person. Shut up. Can't get this thing in right. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to. Well, it's the computer's fault. Blame it on the computer. Okay. Go, go. Excuse me. I need your truck. Ooh, that takedown though. Okay. Dang it. Come here. Come here. Get out of here. Ready? Okay, guys. Let's drive ahead. Okay, I just took down that guy. Come on, the helicopter's bothering me. I don't like helicopters. Get out of here. Where's the helicopter? Okay, let me out. Let me out for a second. Okay, go, 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 go. We gotta go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Shoot. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Shoot. Someone just called the police? Are you joking me? Are you joking me right now? Who the heck is calling those police? Bro, if you're calling the police on me, you will get in trouble. You will die. That's why you don't call the police on Mr. Caden. I need to escape these police.com. Turn off my sirens. Turn off my sirens. Ugh! Move! No, I don't feel like it. What are you doing? You want to mess with me? Kid, for real. Don't even try. Okay. You're kidding me. Oh, YouTube made all my stuff go. Ugh. YouTube, don't ever do that to me again. Okay? Apparently YouTube had a problem uploading my video, and when it took me like 15 minutes to upload it. Bruh, do you know how much time 15 minutes is? City blackout. Yeah.
911, state your emergency, please.
Fight me. Huh? You want to try and call 911 on me? You're going to get murdered by a baby. Yeah. Well, I'm not actually a baby. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of stuff in the comments about that. Yeah, don't even think about going down into the comments and saying, haha, can't call yourself a baby. Not. Let's go to Shut up. I don't care. You can. I don't care. I will. I'll just smash out all of your windows, okay? Is that good with you? Is that good with you? Huh? Can I smash your window, please? Who wants to call the police, huh? Gotta go. Gotta go. Bye. See all you later.
911, what is your emergency? Please help. Police.
Aw, man, I need to get a sniper out and just snipe this lady. Are you joking me? No. Are you? That's what you get. Call the police on me. Hey, don't run away. This drunk man is trying to run away. Bro, like, holy, you're not even gonna get far. Let's neutralize you. Fight me. Fight me. Oh, shoot! I have to save this man. Rescue. Headshot. I died. I wasn't even trying. These kids call the police on me. I don't care. I just wanted to get my car and leave. But no. No. You had to call the police from 1,000,000 miles away. Holy man. It's a prank. It was a fake gun, okay? It was glue. Come on, man. You can't take a joke. You had to get a couple people killed because of a joke. Holy. Did you guys see that? Okay, calm. Look at this car. This car actually looks ugly. Listen to it. Oh, that noise sounds terrible. Let's blow up the city. Oh. I'm not a terrorist.
Aiden Pierce fit the profile of a terrorist. That's not entirely clear. He has not attached himself to any political movement, and his targets appear to be criminals themselves. However, the CPD insists that their job is to apprehend the man, not to label him. Everything else will be left to the justice system.
Why are you parked in the middle of the train track? Like, holy, you're dumb. You're gonna get hit by a train. Let's drive right on the... Listen to that engine. That engine sounds terrible. I hate this camera angle. Holy. Oh my gosh. Where does this train track lead to? Oh, no, I can't go down there. Let's deke out these trains. They want to go into my land. Yeet. Oh, did you actually... Yo, I got that on video. I got that on video. Yo, that was... I'm going to do a replay of it.
Did you actually... Yo, I got that on video.
No, did you actually see that? That was actually really crazy. Look at that. Look at that truck. That truck's scared to death. Look at it. It's just... Yo, I'm scared. This car hard. Oh, yo, this is. Hey, I'm actually sorry. I'm sorry. Look at him. He's paralyzed. He's paralyzed. He just realized what happened.